Looking for an affordable, beginner-friendly ride? Here are the top 7 budget motorcycles for 2026. Let's jump right in. Number 7 is the 2026 Honda Grom, the mini bike that keeps surprising everyone. Even in 2026, it's still the ultimate starter for new riders who want something light, fun, and hassle-free. The 125cc single-cylinder engine is perfectly tuned for city streets and short commutes. Smooth, easy to handle, and super fuel-efficient. It's the kind of bike you can hop on, twist the throttle, and immediately feel confident, even if it's your first time on 2 wheels. The lightweight frame, low seat height, and nimble chassis make cornering and parking a breeze. Honda has also added subtle 2026 upgrades: improved suspension, slightly sharper styling, and a modern instrument cluster, keeping it fresh without overcomplicating things. Maintenance is minimal. Basic checks and oil changes are all you need. In 2026, the Grom continues to be loved by new riders worldwide because it delivers fun, confidence, and reliability all in one package. For beginners who want a bike that's compact, stylish, and literally built to make learning easy, the 2026 Honda Grom is a no-brainer. It's playful, efficient, and still one of the most anticipated starter bikes this year. Perfect for anyone starting their riding journey in 2026. Number 6, 2026 Honda Rebel 300 E-Clutch. One of the easiest beginner cruisers you can ride this year. Even in 2026, the Rebel 300 continues to impress first-time riders with its approachable design, lightweight, and smooth performance. The 286 cubic centimeters single-cylinder delivers smooth, approachable power, making it ideal for new riders who want to build confidence without feeling overwhelmed. The E-Clutch system makes it even simpler. No sudden stalls, no complicated starts. Just twist the throttle and go. Its low seat height, relaxed ergonomics, and narrow profile make parking, cornering, and city riding effortless. Honda has added subtle 2026 updates, refreshed styling, updated LED lights, and a slightly improved suspension, keeping it modern while staying beginner-friendly. Maintenance is minimal. Just basic checks, oil changes, and you're set. This bike is perfect for learners who want comfort, confidence, and style without feeling overwhelmed. The Rebel 300 E-Clutch in 2026 is proof that Honda knows how to make riding easy, fun, and accessible. If you're starting your journey this year, this is one of the most anticipated and reliable bikes for beginners. A true no-brainer. Number 5, 2026 KTM 390. Duke, the lightweight naked bike that's perfect for beginners who want a bit more thrill. Even in 2026, the 390 Duke continues to impress with its agile chassis, responsive 399cc single-cylinder engine, and sharp, modern styling. This bike is incredibly fun to ride, light, precise, and very forgiving when learning cornering or city traffic maneuvers. The fuel injection system and smooth throttle make it predictable so beginners can focus on building confidence without surprises. The 2026 updates include sharper graphics, LED lights, and slightly improved suspension, keeping it fresh and stylish for the new year. Its upright riding position and narrow seat make it easy to control, while the lightweight frame makes parking and low-speed handling simple. Maintenance is minimal. Simple chain care, oil changes, and periodic checks. The kind of bike that won't keep you in the garage. The KTM 390. Duke in 2026 proves that performance and beginner-friendliness can coexist, giving you excitement without compromising control. If you're looking for a bike that's fun, modern, and perfectly manageable for a first-time rider, the 2026 KTM 390 Duke is a top pick. Lightweight, reliable, and ready to teach you how to love riding. Number 4, 2026 Kawasaki Z500 ABS. A versatile and beginner-friendly bike that's ideal for learners in 2026. This lightweight naked bike combines smooth handling with reliable performance, making it a perfect step-up for riders who want a bit more power but still need control. Powered by a 451cc parallel twin engine, the Z500 delivers predictable torque and effortless acceleration, enough for city streets and weekend rides without overwhelming new riders. The ABS brakes are standard for 2026, giving extra confidence for those learning braking and cornering techniques. Its upright riding position, low seat height, and narrow frame make maneuvering easy, whether in traffic or on tight turns. Kawasaki has also refined the 2026 model with subtle styling updates and better suspension, keeping it modern while still simple to handle. Maintenance is straightforward. Basic servicing, chain care, and oil changes, which makes it perfect for first-time owners who don't want surprises. The Z500 ABS is reliable, smooth, and responsive, proving that beginner motorcycles don't have to be boring or slow. If you're looking for a bike that balances comfort, control, and a touch of excitement, the 2026 Kawasaki Z500 ABS is an excellent choice. Lightweight, manageable, and ready to teach you the joy of riding. Number 3. 2026 Yamaha MT-03. A lightweight, stylish, naked bike that's perfect for new riders this year. Even in 2026, the MT-03 continues to impress with its manageable 321 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, smooth throttle response, and responsive handling. The upright riding position, low seat height, and narrow chassis make it super easy to control. Whether you're commuting through traffic or exploring winding roads, it's fun to ride but never intimidating, which is exactly what beginners need to build confidence. Yamaha has also refreshed the 2026 model with updated styling, sharper LED lights, and a modern instrument cluster, keeping it fresh without complicating the riding experience. Maintenance is simple and affordable. Basic oil changes and periodic checks keep it running perfectly for years. The MT-03 strikes the perfect balance between sporty performance and beginner-friendly comfort, making it a bike you can grow with as your skills improve. For 2026 riders looking for style, reliability, and confidence in every twist of the throttle, the Yamaha MT-03 is one of the top choices for first-time riders. Number 2. 2026 Triumph Speed 400. One of the most anticipated beginner-friendly bikes this year. With its agile chassis and refined 398 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, the Speed 400 offers approachable power and confident handling, ideal for riders moving up from entry-level machines. The upright seating, low to mid seat height, and narrow frame make it easy to maneuver and control even for first-time riders. Its engine is tuned for approachable power. Smooth, predictable, and ideal for city streets, short trips, and weekend rides. For 2026, Triumph has added subtle styling updates and improved ergonomics, keeping the Speed 400 fresh and modern without overwhelming new riders. Maintenance is simple, with reliable components that rarely give you trouble. Exactly what beginners want in a first bike. The Speed 400 isn't just practical. It's fun to ride. The chassis feels lively yet stable, and it inspires confidence in riders as they gain experience. For 2026, the Triumph Speed 400 continues to be a top pick for anyone looking for a stylish, reliable, and beginner-friendly motorcycle. Number 1. 2026 Honda CB300R. The ultimate beginner motorcycle for this year. Lightweight, stylish, and incredibly manageable. The CB300R combines Honda's legendary reliability with approachable performance for new riders. It's powered by a 286 cubic centimeter single-cylinder engine that delivers smooth, predictable power, enough to feel fun but never intimidating. The upright seating, low to mid seat height, and narrow frame make it effortless to handle in traffic, on twisty roads, or while learning clutch control. For 2026, Honda has added subtle styling updates and modern tech to keep the CB300R fresh and appealing. Its lightweight chassis, simple maintenance, and fuel efficiency make it one of the most practical and worry-free bikes for beginners. What sets it apart is how well it balances style, reliability, and confidence-building features. A bike you can grow with as your skills improve. The CB300R is perfect for city commutes, weekend rides, or just learning the ropes. It makes starting your riding journey in 2026 exciting and stress-free. For new riders looking for a bike that's fun, safe, and dependable, the 2026 Honda CB300R is the top choice, and it's easy to see why it earns the number 1 spot on our list. Which of these 2026 beginner bikes would you ride first? Comment below, like, subscribe, and keep the wheels turning. See you in the next video.